quick walkthrough of one of our clients' campaigns that we've been running now for almost 90 days. So from February 8th to May 7th, I wanted to show you the results, the revenue generated, so you can really see the power of having a system that helps you scale, hence why our system's called Scale. So you'll see we created 2 different campaigns, one for credit repair, one for the check systems. And so over the last 90 days on credit restoration, we spent $780 on the campaign, generated over 250 leads, 277 at an average cost of $266. But here's the key thing. We're not just generating leads. What we're also doing is generating booked calls. So you'll see we generated over 115 book calls. Average cost per book call, $6.08. So our system is not only generating leads, but then converting around 42% of those leads into scheduled appointments. So our client's not having to chase down these leads. These leads are booking a call with our client, and our client simply shows up to these calls to close the deal. You'll also see within the check system campaigns, we generated over 200 leads, average cost $2.96. And then 90 book calls. Now, what did this translate into for the client? So if we actually just go back, let's go back to February 8th when we initiated the campaign till today, which today is May 8th. You'll see total closed deals, 106 deals. Revenue closed $61,975. So our system is literally tracking everything, from the opt-in to the booking of the call to whether or not people show up. We can see how many people actually showed up and how many she's closed, how many deals pending, everything that's happening through every stage of the pipeline. And if we go to opportunities, we can actually see how everything is automatically organized. So if we go to credit consultations, we'll see that all the leads are in its proper location. Really simplifying. You'll see all the deals that she's closed here. Let me just put one here. You can see she's done a phenomenal job closing massive deals, 61 grand in less than 3 months with our marketing system. Our system consists at the higher level where we're building out multiple marketing campaigns. We're doing all the analytics tracking. We have the calendar situation. So, you can literally log in and see all the appointments that are being booked. As you can see, it's stacked out, it's packed out. With our growth program and above, you get access to custom built funnels, as you can see here. Not only that, but in this particular client's case, we're also building out a page to sell dispute letters. We have all the automation triggers. So literally all the client has to focus in on is just talking to leads, communicating, following up, doing what they need to do. But as an example, if we just look here at the calendar, you'll see all the appointments that are booked every single day for her, just back to back to back. So this is just an example of the power of our scale system. And we consistently produce results like this across the board. And some people might be wondering, is this system going to work for me? Well, absolutely. The advantage of working with our company is we specialize in credit repair marketing, credit repair automation, and even credit repair sales. We have options where you can hire one of our salespeople to actually hit all your leads for you, go through the process, and even close the deal. So ultimately, what you're seeing here is proof in the pudding. This is just one of many examples, and we'll continue to show more results throughout the course of our relationship. So if you're on our email list, if you're a subscriber, you're going to continue to see the success that we're producing for our credit repair clients, because our goal is to empower credit repair entrepreneurs to really make it the greatest impact possible through their services. So if you haven't already booked a consultation call with our Scale team, you can do so. We'd love to share with you our different options and see how we can help you begin to start generating sales that look like this.